Did you know that more than 2,000 species of marine organisms are bioluminescent? These incredible creatures, including jellyfish, certain fish, and deep-sea shrimp, produce light through biochemical reactions. The light can serve various purposes, such as attracting mates, deterring predators, and luring prey. One of the most famous bioluminescent organisms is the anglerfish, which uses a glowing lure to trap unsuspecting prey in the darkness of the ocean depths. In addition to oceans, bioluminescence can also be found in some fungi and insects, like fireflies, showcasing a fascinating adaptability in nature. What bioluminescent creature amazes you the most?